So again, here I'm going to show you real quick some ideas of tools that I would use for my class if I was doing this presentation for Earth Day. I would first begin by hiding information that I don't want my students to see right away. So I'm going to focus on just Monday and how we're going to focus on upcycling. And then we would move to Tuesday and water bottle pride. Wednesday would be nature-inspired portraits, Thursday a flower photo, and Friday worms. So those would just be some ideas that we could share with the students and how to focus in on how they are going to be celebrating Earth Day. And then I would use my laser pointer so that I could focus on reading together the information that they need to do with any of the photos that they take as they've completed their Earth Day projects, and anything that they need to do in order to bring that to the attention. And then with it being Upcycle Monday, we're going to focus on upcycling. What does upcycling mean? And then just focus on the definition, what to do with that. And then you can talk about the different things that you could upcycle. As you can see in this picture, some crayons were upcycled to make other crayons. And then on Tuesday would be water bottle pride. As you can see, we can magnify. So we could go in here and magnify our water bottle. And if you need to adjust your settings and make your magnification wider, you can. But if you want to use that spotlight tool, you can as well. Remember, it's water bottle pride. And then show different water bottles, let the kids talk about that, what have you. Just different ways there to talk about it. Nature-inspired self-portraits. Again, you could use that laser pointer and have the students read. Again, obviously you want to adjust the size of that laser pointer because that one seems very large for that font. So you can adjust that easily. And then you could talk about magnification again, and what does nature-inspired what does a nature-inspired portrait look like? Okay. And adjust your zoom, however it needs to be adjusted so that you can get what you need to get and focus their attention. And then we can turn that zoom off. And then this one, again, I would use that laser pointer, have the kids read, and as they're reading, you can do this virtually as well as in brick and mortar. It does not matter because they're creating a virtual flower garden. So they're taking photos, they're going to submit a collage via PowerPoint or some other type of technology that you use to present that information, a Google Doc or what have you. And then again, if you wanted, you could focus on worms. Like this would be a great thing for science, focusing on different segments of a worm so that they can see the smaller sections. That would be really cool with the magnifying glass there. And how you can enlarge that. So those are just some ideas on how to use some of the tools that we offer in Express.